What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Marketing with Dom. You already know the number one OnlyFans trainer in the business. And I had this question I wanted to answer it. Other ways to make money in the OnlyFans niche without being a creator. I've been in the niche for about 2 years. I have an agency as well as I own OnlyFans coaching and OnlyFansTraining.com. You know, you can come find any information that I have at OnlyFansTraining.com. At least get into the network because I'm going to be teaching so many things about OnlyFans and how it's been a blessing to me, my family, and my friends. And creating these business models have been exciting. And I want to give you the opportunity to get into the business because, one, I don't have everything figured out. But I know I can give you guys some real insight on this overall OnlyFans industry because a lot of people aren't talking. That's why I'm number one, because I really believed I wanted to change more lives and be more impactful, not just stack a bunch of cash for myself, because at the end of the day, we're definitely going to try to smash out $1 million this year in 2021, baby. And OnlyFans has created another avenue. I think that's going to be around for a very long time and a brand that's going to stand for the next 5 years. So if you're here, let's go. So let's get into it. No, it's been a minute. So the first thing is, if you know and love my content, please comment and like down below. Please, I appreciate it. It helps me cut through all this other shit that's on the internet right now, talking about OnlyFans that's not really giving you the insights. So let's talk about the main question that I wanted to address, which is how to make money in the OnlyFans niche. If you are deciding, and I'm going to be teaching this, but this is my true answer. Don't start off doing an agency. Do not go directly in and be an agency. And the first reason why I want to say that is because there is a lot. Oh boy. Well, I'm back to tell you there is a lot, to be honest. I've been in the business world for about, 5 to 10 years. I'm going to say about 10 years. I don't really know exactly when. Since I've been young, I've been trying to get to the cash with y'all. But OnlyFans, is a new niche, and in its own, I'm learning a lot about the process. And the first thing I've learned is the agency side takes an extreme amount of work. People are going to be like, oh, if I'm not going to do an agency, what do I start off with? Get a single skill that can help OnlyFans creators and scale it. Doing one of these two things, helping them convert more subscribers, helping them get more traffic, helping them make more sales, whatever that is, figure out that one thing and scale it. Building the agency, the hardest thing for us was figuring out everything and putting it all together and letting it be successful and driving the bottom dollar. That was the hardest thing. We did really well in the beginning, but we had to realize a few things. The difference between trenders and brand builders. Being an OnlyFans creator, you as an agency, me as an agency, I have to work with people who want to build a brand. If they don't want to build a brand, I realize I'm really cutting myself short, and they're going to end up skating from the time and energy and money that we put into them as a creator and end up disappearing. I'm starting to feel like, the new record label out here. But we're here to answer questions for you guys because I want to talk about that. I'm about to be so deaf. OVO. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be, no, I'm just kidding. But being an agency, you get to learn a lot. And the one thing I'm looking for are people who know what they're doing and one single thing that can do what they're doing and make way more money. Like if you are in the niche and you have one skill and you're trying to hit me up, go to Marketing with Dom Instagram, DM me, say what's up. I usually respond there a lot faster, comments a little harder, but comment first. Help a brother out. So here's the thing that you can do, right? One, you can be an assistant. An assistant drives traffic by trying to help with organizing the platform, content, talking to people if they need help, making sure they get and respond to them. I never ever suggest you just get someone to 100% do all your chatting for you. That's a little lie. It's a little fraudulent. You know what I mean? It's kind of fake. So I would suggest if it gets overwhelming, then get help. But don't get help if you're not overwhelmed by subscribers and people, because no one's going to be better than you selling your content, what you're willing to offer, your communication better than you. So, for the people who aren't creators, here's what they need help with, and here's problems that you can solve. One problem you can solve is organizing their content to be able to sell content in the back. One, editors. Oh my God, editors can easily be marketers in this space and make money with creators because they always need editors. They need content, they need previews. You can build in this business if you're an editor as your core skill and murder. Okay, copy. If you're a writer, you can get in here and write copy, see if you actually can write to increase sales, which is true. You got to figure out if you can actually do this first. You can be a photographer or videographer as well, an editor, and you could create content with the creators and use that as your leverage to them helping you, right? Because here's why as agencies, especially as me as an agency, why we do well is because we offer something people don't have. And you as as anybody in this industry trying to figure out how to make money without naturally doing it, figure out a skill, help with that single thing, and then give it to the marketplace of OnlyFans creators. It's like someone on a YouTube channel, when they finally get that one thing that they get done on YouTube and they're like, yo, I know how to grow a YouTube channel, I know how to do this, then they give it to 1,000 YouTubers who want to be on YouTube and they sell that. You know, that is the best way to do it. That's how I launched OnlyFans training. I started to figure out what people needed. They asking questions. We started delivering it and developing products over time to get to these solutions, because we're learning and we're adjusting every single day. So my solution to you is to, one, be an assistant. You can learn that at onlyfanstraining.com too. Pop into the newsletter, get in there, because we're going to start doing that. You can be a manager, manage content, make sure her time is less spent, get a percentage, help with that. You could be a agency, which, you know, I suggest you don't start there. I started off as a chatter. I started off talking to people, seeing how the messages go, reading, you know, and analyzing, seeing what works, what doesn't work, and going there. Then I went to managing a couple creators, knocking them out. I'm like, okay, cool, what's the next level? An agency. Okay, we're going to get an agency, right? And that was the craziest thing. I wish I was even more prepared for an agency stuff. And by the time you're watching these videos, you're going to be prepared for that. So start simple. And here's how you start. Ask a creator, how can I help you? I ask hundreds of creators all the time, how can I help you? Because in their mind, if you sell them what they don't need, it doesn't matter. I know what creators need. I can look at a platform. I can know what you need. But if you don't want it, I'm not going to sell it to you. You know, so, or I'm not going to get it for you. Mostly people have an idea what they think they need, and I deliver that to them. I'll give them advice about what they should or should not do, but if they'll choose to go with it because it's best fit in their head, they're ready to do it, I'm going to give them what they're asking for. And you have to learn what people are wanting for to be able to make money in this OnlyFans niche as any part of this. Whether you're an editor, whether you're a poster, whether you're a traffic person, you can all have those skills, and that be the skill of your agency. So it's your boy Marketing with Dom. Make sure you comment down below if you end up watching this whole video. Please make sure you go to onlyfanstraining.com, marketingwithdom.com as well, and I'll see you on the other side. I hope this helped. If it didn't, comment down below. Tell me what you want to know so I can help with that as well. I'll do this. See you guys later. Till next video. Lego.